The intelligent enterprise is nothing but a fancy term introduced by SAP to market SAP Cloud Platform. As soon as SAP launched the idea of cloud, they started marketing it and choose the word the intelligent enterprise. Let's quickly take a look at what SAP says. The intelligent enterprise is a strategy that allows you to rapidly transform data into insight feeding process automation, innovation, and optimal experiences using intelligent technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, or SAP Analytics. In this diagram, on the top, you can see that you have your existing on-premise services. And with the power of SAP's intelligence suite, which comprises of intelligent technologies like artificial intelligence, ML, IoT, and analytics that are running on SAP Cloud Platform, you can transform your existing enterprise into the intelligent enterprise.